Hello friends, welcome to this channel. I am Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Bono. Today we are going to discuss the formulation guidelines for odd stain remover, which is used to remove the hard salt deposits in bathroom, and also some of the related topics. Let us get into the video. We'll try to understand with one example, simple example. Just imagine a small stainless steel vessel. I am adding 100 ml of water. Again, I am adding 2 grams of salt. Mixing well. After the dissolution, we cannot see the salt. Again, I am heating the vessel. Water is getting evaporated. After the evaporation of water, again we can see the salt at the bottom of the vessel. Similarly, in bathroom water also, whatever the water we are using, there is possibility for presence of salt, dissolved salts. During the usage, the water will splash over the entire surface of the bathroom, throughout the bathroom, including there is possibility for stagnation of water over the bathroom surface. If bathroom surface is not proper, then the stagnation is possible. So in all the cases, after the evaporation of water, we can observe some deposition of salt layer. If it is for 3 months or 6 months usage, the deposition of salt layer becomes thick, dense and hard. So this is the reason for formation of salt layers over the surface of the bathrooms. For beginners, let us try to understand what is a salt first. In kitchen, we are using one salt, that is sodium chloride. Sodium carbonate is possible, sodium bicarbonate, sodium metasilicate, these are all sodium salts. Similarly, potassium salts are available, calcium salts are available, magnesium salts are available, ion compounds are possible. So, in chemistry, literally many salts are available. These salts are available as sand, soil, rock or stone in our atmosphere. Let us coming to the point. In our bathroom water, of course, we are getting water from various sources. Whatever the source may be, it may be well water or borewell water or groundwater or lake water or river water, whatever the source may be. The water is in contact with either the surface of the soil or subsurface. So in both the cases, surface, subsurface, water is in contact with, always in contact with soil, rock, sand, etc. So some salts are soluble in water, so automatically these soluble salts will dissolve in water. During the suction process, during the transferring process, apart from soluble salts, possibility for some undissolved salts, insoluble salts also will transfer. Ultimately, in our water tank, we are getting water with dissolved salts and some amount of undissolved salts. So, this is the reason for presence of salt in our water. For the purpose of removal of salt deposits, the acids are best choice, preferable choice. Even though many of the salts are soluble in water, in case of bathroom deposits, the salts are mainly either calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate. These salts are insoluble in water. So, we need to use acid. For the example, if it is calcium carbonate, if we are using hydrochloric acid means it will release carbon dioxide, kissing reaction. It is a kind of energy. And also that calcium carbonate will become calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is water soluble salt, neutral salt. So after the washing process, we can completely remove the salt deposits in bathroom. So this is the principle. But one thing we need to understand, Acids are preferred choice for removal of salt deposits. But in bathroom, many other stains are possible. For example, mildew is possible. We can remove with hypo. Hypo is the best choice. It is a very best, very good disinfectant. Mildew. In some time, soap scum is possible in bathroom. For soap scums, the preferred choice is either the Harpic, white Harpic or red Harpic. We can remove it. Sometimes yellow color stains are possible. This is due to uric acid. Sometimes red color stains are possible, maybe due to ion compounds. In such cases, we can try with baking soda or hydrogen peroxide or caustic soda. Of course, for uric acid stains, the best choice is enzymes. So after 10 minutes or 15 minutes of sitting with physical brushing up, it is possible to remove. So the point is, in bathroom, many stains are possible. For the purpose of removal of salt deposits, acids are preferable choice. Of course, acids are available in professional stores or supermarkets or even hardwares, but we cannot suppose to use directly acid for the purpose of removal of salt deposits. Mainly, at least two reasons. The first one is safety. For domestic usage, domestic applications, this is not safe. Using the concentrated acid directly, it is not safe. Second thing is, we cannot achieve superior cleaning performance with acid alone, even though it is concentrated, because even though it is salt deposit, literally we are telling it as a salt deposits. Apart from salt, there is possibility for some other materials. Okay, in the deposit, in our head, there is possibility for some oils, stagnation or intrusion of some oils, or while bathing there is possibility for some organic stuff or body fluids, or we are using detergents, soaps, etc. So possibility for accumulation of some of the chemicals. So even though we call it as salt deposits, apart from salt, some other materials are accumulated in that hot deposits. So only with acid, even though it is concentrated acids, we cannot achieve 100% cleaning performance. So we need to develop a formulation for that purpose. But before developing the formulation, we need to follow the guidelines. First of all, choice of acids. Generally, for hot stain remover, everyone will choose primarily hydrochloric acid as primary acid. Even though other acids are possible, more powerful than hydrochloric acid, we cannot suppose to choose. The reason is, for the example, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is much powerful than hydrochloric acid, but it is highly aggressive, not safe. Again, nitric acid. Nitric acid also much powerful than hydrochloric acid, but the problem is, in some cases, for the example, there are many types of salt deposits. Sometimes in some salts, it is possible to produce toxic fumes. So we need to avoid nitric acid. So primarily, we need to use hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid as primary acid. And along with hydrochloric acid, to achieve perfect finishing, cleaning, we can consider to include one or two more acids. Maybe we can include acetic acid, I mean vinegar, or we can include citric acid, or we can include phosphoric acid, etc. But not oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is poison. Apart from acids, to get perfect finishing, we need to include some more materials. Cleaning materials, surfactants are required. We need to include chelating materials are essential. They are playing vital role, and we need to include anti-corrosion agents, because in bathrooms there is possibility for metal fittings. So to prevent corrosion, some persons, some formulations will include anti-corrosion materials. We need to include solvents. We need to include wetting agents. So all those things are required to formulate or stain remover. Then only we can formulate legally, ethically and technically. I mean without compromising the cleaning performance.